Now, the first language you need to learn if you want to build a website is HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. What hypertext means is that you can connect web pages to one another, and that's why when you see the links on the website is called hyperlinks. And markup means annotation that basically covers text formattings, italic, boldface, font sizes, or layout elements from division, paragraphs, your header text, to even media elements like images, audio files, and videos. And all these things that we see in modern websites, they're all defined using HTML. So in short, we use HTML to define the structure of a web page. And second thing is, HTML is used by every single website in the world, from Google, Facebook, Netflix, to our website, the lead.io. And you see them in your desktop browser, your mobile phones, iPads, Apple Watch, to even your oven and fridge, basically any device that is connected to the internet. And now you might want to ask, right? Hey, Dr. Lau, I'm using a no-code website builders like WordPress or Webflow. So I don't really need to know HTML, right? Remember what I said earlier? Every single website is written using HTML. So even if you use WordPress, you still need to know HTML when you want to format your site, customize the layout, and make changes to the arrangement or the content of your elements. Now here are some of the common HTML tags that we use in the web page. For example, P tag, which means paragraph, so it's for us to type text inside. And then the div tag, which stands for divisions. It allows us to logically group elements together as a division. And header means header text. It allows us to display text of different importance. So there are 6 different levels from H1 to H6. And of course, IMG or image tag, it allows us to display images. And now let's see how we can use these tags to combine them to create a web page. So this is how the page is going to look like, and I'm going to show you how to build a page like this from scratch using HTML. So let's go to the website CodePen and then click on pen to create a new pen. So CodePen is like a online editor which allow us to edit our web pages and the code, and you can see the results straight away displayed on your right hand side. So let's go to the HTML panel and type some HTML code. The first thing that I will usually create is called a div. So div is like a division, and what we want to do is to create a header division. This is usually used as a header on a web page. So I give it an ID called header. And if you look at our design, right, it's basically a left-right layout. So we have on the left hand side an image of our product, and then on the right hand side some text, some title, and also a button. So what we can do is we can create 2 more divisions. So one is called the left and the other one is called right. So right now you won't be able to see anything because we basically just set up the layout and we have not put in any content. So we can go to the left division and create an image tag. And what do we want to display? We want to display an image of the chair. So I can say src equals to the URL of our image, and then every time when you type something, right, it will automatically refresh the preview panel on your right hand side. And once you have done a reasonable amount of work, then you can click on save, and everything will be saved to the cloud. And then you will also get a unique URL, so you can always come back next time and continue your work from here. Everything will be stored inside the cloud. Alright, so next thing is what we are going to do. We are going to type in some text, right? So we can go to our right hand side division, and the first thing what we want to do is to put our product name. So I'll give it a H1 tag and type in the name of the chair. Then we'll create another P tag and put in the description. So I would say comfortable and sturdy chair that is good for both working and chilling. I just simply type something, you know, and then our beautifully curved arms also has an extra dash or style to this chair, which suits all homes and offices. So it's a unique chair that beautifully curvy design, and you can use it in your office or your home. And then let's go back and look at our design. We have another thing at the bottom, which is the buy now button. So we can go back to our editor, button, and buy now. Alright, so now we have set up the structure and the content of our web page using HTML. And this is our first lesson. I know the website looks a bit rough and unpolished right now, is nowhere near presentable, but that's fine, yeah? Tomorrow we're going to learn how to use another language called CSS to put on makeup, and that will make our website looks pretty and professional. So what I want you to do next is to create a website by following the steps that I have shown you earlier. You may refer to my source code using the link below. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow.